Very good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, and today we have assembled here to discuss about the problem statement which you have taken from the Y Combinator and Unicorn that we have already discussed in our classroom in Design Thinking and Innovation course. So I already listed so many problem statements from those websites and why we are going for the Y Combinator and the Unicorn that I have told you. So you taken that musculoskeletal disease as a problem statement, how to give a virtual therapy or for the remote people and who are sitting in the very long distance. So the problem statement description is very simple one. So this disease is affected by the old age peoples probably between the age of 70 to 90, right? So those people cannot often go for some medical shops or hospitals or clinics to get rid of from this disease. So they need someone's support, right? But in our modern day, everyone are running for our job, our task and professional works, right? So there is no one, literally I am speaking, there is no one to take care of those old age peoples, not only for this disease, not any other aspects also. So they need some assistance. We cannot leave them as it is. So we need to give a solution for this problem. So you have some idea from you have discussed, your team discussed and brainstormed, and you have listed few ideas, right? So let us discuss about this one. First, let me ask the question. Here we are going to discuss the empathy and define part. So once we define, we can go for ideate and prototype and evaluate, right? So let us empathize and definition phase we can first now clear out, and then we shall go for the further steps, right? So the first question, so that these questions comes under the empathy and define phase. So if you answer for these questions, right, we can come for the conclusion that you have understood your problem statement and you have an idea how to make a prototype and how to evaluate the prototype, right? So let me ask the questions. So it is a framework that we have a DT playbook with us. So already we have discussed in our classroom. The very first question is brainstorm a list of opportunities, problems or challenges you care about. Yeah.
First, AI-based exercise assistant. Second one, the visual physiotherapist section. Third one, community support and motivation. Then fourth, gamified therapy. And fifth one is the pain tracking and progress reports. And
then personalized plans we can have. So these are all the points, right, you have surveyed and you have listed out, right? So from this, my second question is, from these points, which one you feel that it's a very interesting and very appropriate one?
So from this, AI-based exercise assistance is the best choice, sir. It's an innovation idea because in this modern generation like AI and sensor, it's very unique and smart one, sir. It's convenient for the users also. People can exercise from the homes with safer, and it will be very easier for them.
Yeah, okay. So now we have empathized and defined part is over. So we have chosen one what actually the problem, what we have to develop, came for the conclusion. So for this development of prototype, we need to know our knowledge, right, about this area. So where we have to focus in much, and what are the advantage, what are the strength we have to develop this prototype, right? So let me ask the question, what do you know about the opportunity, problem or challenge? What do you need to learn more about?
Yes, sir. We know about the AI fundamentals, which is the basic understanding of how artificial intelligence works and its applications. We know about the
health AI muscular therapy app,
Hinge Health app, awareness of an existing app that uses the AI to assist muscle and joint therapy. We need to learn about the AI and model types, learning about the AI models, which something like machine learning that processes the movement data We need to learn about the basic exercises and muscular knowledge, where understanding the muscle parts of the body and where each exercise helps the specific areas, and finally to create a prototype and sample version of an app that monitors and gives the feedback to the user.
Yeah, you clearly said what you know and what area we supposed to focus, right? So these are all thing we know, right? But finally the thing is who will be benefited from this development, right? That is very important, right? So the next final question is, who cares about or is affected by this opportunity, problem or challenge?
Yes, sir. The people who suffer from musculoskeletal problem. This problem affects people with muscle or joint pains, like elders, athletes and patients who need physical therapists. It also concerns healthcare professionals and doctors who need a better tool for monitoring the patients and to support the patient to provide an effective and continuous care to cure from the disease.
Yeah, okay. So you the team have clearly empathize and definition part, right? Let us further we can have some again brainstorm session to have a such list of ideas, and we will again choose any appropriate any one best interesting and appropriate ideas from that, and we can develop the prototype and we will showcase it to or exhibit it to some in the big arena where researchers and industry persons will come and let them tell their opinion, so that accordingly we can again it is a design thinking, it is an iterative process. So if there is something feedback they have given, it should be modified or it should be changed, like that means we can go for the design thinking process again in the appropriate stage, and we will develop, right? So wish you all the best for this project, and we will meet again in another occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.